This is Peter Arender. I'm Chief Investment Officer with Fortress Fund Managers. Well, yeah, I think it's going to be a little bit more good news for investors in our Caribbean Growth Fund, which hit another new high last week and we think might be a little higher again this week, finally breaking above $7 per share. That's after starting back at $1 all the way back in 1996. And for those who remember last year being as low as just under $5 in the panic selling of March 2020, just again underlying the boring progress you can make over many, many years investing in good quality companies at reasonable prices. Some of the performance this week was in continued recovery in emerging markets as some of those economies are starting to rejoin some of the richer countries who have seen their economies recover from the COVID sooner. I just wanted to make a note this week on economic data. A lot of the economic data coming out of the US and that people might be reading in the press, certainly we're seeing it as worrying about inflation, seeing very strong numbers are too hot. And the little comment we'd have on that, nobody knows what the future holds, but just like this time last year, we had to look through the bad numbers to realize the reality will eventually be slightly different than that. I'd suggest this time we also need to be looking through the really hot numbers and suggesting that the real path of things in years to come will be somewhat more moderate than what we're seeing right now. That is it from here.